Let's cook salmon belly bistec, and here are the ingredients. Now, before I fry the salmon belly, so marinate ko muna ng pepper at saka salt. And then, just a reminder guys, don't over fry your salmon belly para mas masarap, alright? So here, we're sauteing garlic. And then, let's add onion. And then, after that, we will add oyster sauce. So, tansya lang guys ha. And then, we will put water. Ayan. And then, let's add 3 tablespoon calamansi juice or lemon juice. And then, next, we will add black pepper. Okay. And then, salt to taste, guys. So, kayo na bahala kung gusto nyong maalat-alat or hindi. Alright. And then, next, we will add 1 teaspoon brown sugar. And then, rosemary leaves. If wala kayong rosemary leaves, kayo na bahala kung anong leaves ilalagay nyo. And then, we will add soy sauce. Yan. Cayenne pepper ang nilagay ko dito because I don't have chili sauce. But if you have chili sauce, much better guys. It will really taste good as in. Pero tansyahan nyo lang sa mga hindi mahilig mangha. And then after that, so nilagay ko na yung salmon na frinay ko. And then top with the onion rings. Damihan natin ng onions kasi yun yung mas nagpapasarap. Okay. So guys, comment nyo if you've tried this already, and then please like and share. Okay? And then request kayo kung ano na naman yung lulutuin ko. Thank you!